welcome back to the World Hydrogen Summit here in Rotterdam. I'm standing with Dietmar Stork from Schlötter, the Global Sales Director of the business. Tell us a little bit, would you please, Dietmar, about who Schlötter are and what you bring.
Yes, thank you very much. We, Schlötter, are a mid-sized family-owned company with more than 110 years experience in developing innovative solutions, processes, chemicals, and also offering plants for electroplating industry.
And what is it about the World Hydrogen Summit here in Rotterdam that's made you want to come along and be a part of it?
Yeah, we were here last year as visitors, walked around and decided then we have to be here with a booth showing the hydrogen industry, our developments in the fields of hydrogen, especially in the fields of electrolysis. We wanted to present our new developments. Since 7 years we're working on development of new innovative processes for electrolyzing of water, and that's why we're here to showing these new processes to the industry and get known, of course, in the industry and get contacts. That's why we're here.
And what is it you feel that you at Schlötter can offer that maybe no one else can?
I think what we have at Schlötter, 25% of our employees working in R&D, and we try to develop new processes with benefits according to the state-of-the-art process. And today we can offer, for example, a process which 20% more activity than a standard nickel-based coating, and that's what we want to present here.
Thank you very much, Dietmar. Much appreciated.
You're welcome.
So Dietmar mentioned, of course, how important research and development is to Schlötter, and that's why I'm now talking to Niels Ulrich, who is the project manager for research and development at Schlötter. Lovely to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Tell us a little bit about some of the projects that you're working on with Schlötter.
Yeah, basically in Schlötter R&D for hydrogen technologies, we develop new surfaces for different fields of application in hydrogen technologies. For example, we have electrode coatings that are catalytically active. We have corrosion protection coatings that we are developing and tailor them for hydrogen applications. And also, for example, some tribological applications for connectors. There we have coatings that are tribologically well done and are also conductive at the same time. So we develop new surfaces for the whole field of hydrogen technologies.
So what is it that you offer with Schlötter, and particularly with your protective surfaces, that maybe is unique within the industry?
Yeah, basically we offer the chemicals that are needed for depositing those surfaces on a substrate. What I can show you here, this is an electroplating surface that was tailored for application in alkaline electrolysis. So this field was coated with our nickel surface by our process. And those processes can be deposited at our customer site, and we sell the chemicals that are necessary to deposit this highly advanced surfaces.
And are these bespoke or are they off the shelf?
No, they are really designed specifically for hydrogen electrolysis. So basically, for example, one product would be the SLOTOGREEN H₂ 2010. This is a catalytically active surface coating for alkaline or AEM electrolysis. Or the SLOTOGREEN H₂ 2020-50. This is a corrosion protection coating like I have shown you here.
What other products are you offering at Schlötter?
We are offering basically the chemicals, specialty chemicals that are needed for electrodepositing those surfaces out of galvanic electroplating baths.
Okay. Is there a particular hero product that you're very proud of?
Actually, we are proud of many of our products, obviously, but in hydrogen technology, it's really our newest achievement. It's the electrode coating, the SLOTOGREEN H₂ 2010 you see here. And with this surface coating, the efficiency of the hydrogen evolution reaction is increased by 20%. And this is what we are really proud of. It's our own development. It comes from our own R&D ideas. And we now want to show this to the whole world to bring hydrogen technology a step forward.
So as you both mentioned, research and development, very, very important to you. You're coming up with great steps forward in innovation and technology. Moving forward into the future, the next 12 months, the next 24 months, what's on the horizon?
And the horizon is basically developing even more surfaces for specific applications in hydrogen technologies. So for even more fields like electrode coatings or corrosion protection. For example, what one could think about surface coatings really for the membranes or such stuff. There we are having a lot of projects going on in our R&D department. And this is in the next months the field of work we are producing.
Sounds very exciting. Niels, thank you very much for spending time with us today. You heard there from Niels Ulrich and before from Dietmar, both working at Schlötter, a company that are taking giant steps forward when it comes to innovation with coating products for the hydrogen industry. Keith Maynard from the Hydrogen Standard here at the World Hydrogen Summit.